Great students, and welcome to biology class. Today we're going to continue our class on the past question, and we're going to start with the 26. So which of the following dental formula represent the dentition for rabbits? So what is dentition? Dentition is the arrangement of teeth within the jaws of the jaw of the mouth. Okay, the arrangement of the teeth and the number of the teeth. So when we have 4 different types of teeth, we have incisors, we have the canine, we have the premolar, we have the molar. What's the function of each of them? The incisors is this part, and it is responsible for the cutting. The premolar follows, okay, and is responsible for tearing, and that is the peculiarity of the carnivores, okay, the carnivorous animals. Now we have the premolar and the molar. They are responsible for grinding and chewing of the food. Now we want to identify the dentition of the rabbit here. If I may tell you, just say that we have the half, 0, 23, 33, and that is it. So the answer is C. Half means 1/2. That is, the upper jaw is 1 here, considering the one side, okay, the right or the left side. So the upper jaw is 1, the lower jaw is 2. Then at the canine level, because the rabbit they are not carnivores, okay? So they don't require the canine. So they have 0 and 0. The space is left there. Then we have the premolar is 2 up, and the is 3 down. Then we have the molar is 3 up and 3 down at the right part. Then multiply by 2, then we have the other part, making a complete set of teeth. Now, what about the dentition for human being? If I may ask you, dentition for human being is as simple as saying 21 and 23. What do I mean? The incisors is 2 up, 2 down. The canine is 1 up, 1 down for a right jaw, okay, the right part of the teeth, then of the mouth. Then we have the premolar is 2 up, 2 down, and we have the molar is 3 up, 3 down. When you multiply the 2, you're going to have the whole set of 32 teeth in an adult human. Now let's go to the next question. The property of the soil demonstrated above is what? A, particle size. We're not showing any particle size here. Capillarity. Capillarity is the movement of the water, okay? It's the upward movement of the water. So when we place all this glass tube inside the trough here, and there's water here, what happens to the water? The water tries to go up. So we have the water here. So, and that is showing the capillarity. So the answer is B. That is the capillarity. So let's move to the next question. That is number 28. Which of the following will be the observation at the end of the experiment we showed you? Number 27. Water moves highest in sandy soil, lowest in loamy soil, to the same level in all soil types, and the highest in clay. Here we don't need to look at experiments. So it is well known that the sandy soil has a lot of pores, a lot of holes, and that is why the water percolation, that is movement of water through the soil, is called the percolation. So the water percolation is highest in where? In the sandy soil. I want you to get the formula. We have the moving of water, permeability of water is inversely proportional to retention of water. Okay, take note of that. Permeability of water is actually inversely proportional to what? To retention of water. What do I mean? You say permeability, that is, ability of water to move is inversely proportional to what? To retention of water. So that means that if the sandy soil has the highest permeability, it is going to have the lowest retention. Take note of that. Now let's go to the next question. The most important factor that influences the ecological nature of an organism is or dash. Water, light, predator, prey. We might not look at that. The food and water are basic to every ecological niche because all living things require the food and the water. So I'm going to pick the answer as the food and water. Goodbye. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.